Oh dear, my teachers are telling me to access the thing that's called eClass. I currently have this amount of homework, but I don't know anything on how to log in. I know, maybe I should call those ITS guys I've heard about. Oh, they answered. Yes? Hello?
Hello, you have reached the assistant hotline for ITS. How may I assist you?
I'm wondering if you could teach me how to log on to eClass. I'm a late enrollee, so I don't know what to do since they already advanced without me. And they don't do eClass tutorials anymore.
Sure thing. To log into eClass, visit the AdZU eClass website. When you visit the page, you will see a login screen. Your username should be HS and then your ID number. And your password should be your birth date. Click on Login and it will lead you to your account.
Oh, I see now, but how do I exactly do these things in eClass? Like submitting activities or requirements?
Once you receive access to your eClass account, you will see a list of your classes. Click one of them and it will lead you to the digital learning kits. It is where you can take tests and where you can submit your requirements. Submitting activities is very simple. Once you learn how to navigate in your eClass, click on one of your classes and scroll down. When you see this symbol, it means that this is where you will be submitting your requirements. Click on the blue text beside the symbol and it will lead you to the submissions page. After that, click on the Add Submission button. Once you're there, find your file on your computer and drag it down into your submission area. Once you have your file in eClass, click Save Changes and you're done. Make sure to follow the name format of your file to avoid any confusion. Or you can find it in the submissions page in the description.
Oh, so this is the wrong format?
Yes, it's the wrong format. Always remember that your name goes first, then your section, then your subject, and then lastly, the name of your activity.
I see, but my teacher said I missed a couple of tests. How do I take them or check them?
Oh, that's really simple. Click one of your classes and scroll down. When you see this symbol, it means that this is where you can take your tests. Click on the blue text beside that symbol, and from there, you can see the directions to take and how much time you have to take the test in the description. Click on the Attempt Quiz button, and from there, you can start taking your test. The test types are sometimes different for some parts of the test, but they'll be explained further by your subject teacher. Once you're done answering, click on Finish Attempt, scroll down, and click on Submit All and Finish. And then you're done.
Wow, I never knew it was this easy. But my subject teacher is telling me to download the digital learning kit and to go to a link in eClass to watch a presentation about our lesson. Where do I find that?
Don't worry, I'll show you how. The learning kit should be at the topmost part of your class. Once you find the learning kit highlighted here, click on the blue text and it will lead you to where you can view it or download it as a PDF file. To download the PDF file, click Ctrl S on your keyboard or you can click on the Save button in your browser. To access links in eClass, look for this symbol. Click on the blue text beside that symbol and it will direct you to where you need to go. That's it.
Oh, so that's where they are. Okay, now I understand how eClass works. But what if my subject teacher doesn't have a professional Facebook account or is not responding to my emails?
eClass has a cool, amazing messaging feature where you can message your subject teachers or even your classmates directly. Here, I'll teach you how to use it. When you go to your eClass, you'll see a chat bubble icon beside your name on the top right-hand corner of your screen. Click on that, and in the search bar, type the name of your subject teacher. Once you see your subject teacher's name in the list of results, click on it, and you can instantly start chatting.
Oh, I never knew it was that simple. Now I know more about how to use eClass. Thank you so much for the assistance.
We are happy to help. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us again. Have a nice day.